What do I do next? I love that question, and so will you. And the reason for that is we have the answer that is so duplicatable that anybody can do it. It's fun, simple, easy. It's a three-step process we call Point, Guide, and Direct. The first step is we point people to the award-winning videos, and they do most of the selling and the talking and the explaining for you. I know most people don't like to do a lot of convincing or explaining, so you just point them to the video. In fact, if you can get folks to push play, then they're going to want to know about steps 2 and 3. And that's all you could ever ask for. You know, in today's fast-paced, busy lifestyle, people don't have a lot of time. They're busy. So how do you get people's attention? We call the door opener, the attention getter. Well, it starts with the award-winning videos. Step 2 is our conference calls and webinars. And the purpose for the conference call is just really to validate 2 things. Are the products working, and are people making money? And you know what people can relate to more than anything is stories. And boy, do we have the stories. The third thing is samples. We always teach people you're one sample away from an explosion. You just don't know it yet. And the reason that our samples work so well, it's nutrition you can feel. I mean, you just mix a packet before somebody eats at a restaurant, and 10, 15 minutes later, they're full. They go, wow, this obviously works. I want to know more. So the 3-step process, folks, is just about filling the pipeline up on a daily basis. Now, here's the secret to how fortunes are created. It's understanding momentum. You know, momentum is based on being consistent and persistent on the 3-step process. Every day you're just exposing new people to the videos. They're validating, you know, the results on the conference calls by hearing the stories. The 3rd step, you're just passing out your samples, and people notice that it works. So if you're just filling the pipeline up on a daily basis with new people, then next week you're going to be busy. Now, if you want to be busy next month, it's based on what you were doing last month. So last week sets up next week in the results column. And if people understand that, then that's the secret to becoming wealthy, is being consistent and persistent with this 3-step process.